Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on the GitHub issue system. So on our organization page on github.com/Soartex Modded, we have a whole bunch of repositories or repos for each version of Minecraft. So modded 1.6, modded 1.7, 1.5, etc., etc. And today we're going to be looking at 1.6 as an example. And over here we have the issues. So the issues allow us to track and also communicate with other members of the organization. And so, for example, if I have a bug report, I want to put it on here, and I want to create a new issue so that we can update the textures and everything of that sort. And today I'm going to be doing an enhancement request. So I'm going to click on new issue, and then from there I'm going to say I want to do TIC Tinker's construct stencil update. And I have a screenshot that somebody gave me. And from there I can leave a simple little description. I can use a markdown. You can click on this link and it will give you details on what specifics you want to, or what specific formatting options you have available. And I can say it would be nice to have the stencils updated. Thanks. Okay. And then I can click on preview, and I can see this is what everybody else is going to see. And then finally I can go over here and I can add a label. This is not a bug report, this is an enhancement request. So I'm going to click on enhancement. I can click on multiple things, etc., etc. And another thing that you can do is you can tag people. So for example, if I wanted to tag Art Dude, I can just do an @ and then he gets instantly tagged. So what that looks like is there's his name, and he gets a notification that he's been tagged in a post. So that's very handy if you want to, focus a issue at one person or at multiple people. But this is good enough for now. Just a simple screenshot and description. I got my label and everything, and I can submit my new issue. So I have my new issue, and underneath here I can people can comment, etc. They can, you can still do images and everything down there. And then yes, so if I go back to the repo and then I go back into issues, it now shows up as an open issued, and people can click on that, read it, etc. That's not stupid back button, it's everything catched. And then over here I have closed issues, and then we're going to take a look at one that we've used before. So this is an enhancement, and basically it's a conversation of we don't just use it for bug tracking and everything, it's also a way to communicate with other members. So this is asking an opinion based on this open blocks vacuum. So we kind of just went back and forth sharing screenshots and looking at other textures we can include, etc., and went from there. And then finally we said, okay, yeah, that looks good enough. Make a pull request, and we went from there. So it's a great way to communicate. It's very easy with the drag and drop images, especially since we're dealing with images, and it all integrates. So over here in our commit messages, we can very easily. So in this one, I tagged an issue, and the way you do that is you do the # and then the issue number, and that allows GitHub automatically recognizes that, and so now when somebody clicks on this, it goes directly to the issue, and it shows up right here that he referenced the issue, that I referenced issue in this commit message, and I can click on that, and it'll take me to it. So it all integrates very easily, and it's very, very nice from a developer and a bug tracking standpoint, because this allows us to very easily see what we have. You can go over here and you can sort, right? So if I just want to see all the enhancements, I can do that. So thank you for watching.